Welcome back to it, Master, everyone. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a very special topic, unlocking the true power of ChatGPT. Many of you might see it as just a chatbot, but it's so much more. Think of it as your new personal assistant, one that can write code, help with business tasks, and even boost your studies. Using ChatGPT properly can save you hours every single day. So, let's not waste any time. Let's dive in and explore how to use this incredible tool for coding, business, and school. Part 1: ChatGPT for Coding. For all the developers and aspiring coders out there, ChatGPT is about to become your best friend. It can help you with 4 major things. 1. Writing code faster. Instead of building a code snippet from scratch, you can ask ChatGPT to generate it for you. You can give it a simple prompt like, write a login form using HTML and CSS. It will instantly generate the code you need. This is a massive time saver for any project. Two, debugging errors. Ever spent hours staring at a line of code that just won't work? Just copy and paste the error message into ChatGPT and ask something like, please fix this error in my Python code. It'll not only fix the error but also explain what went wrong. Three, converting code between languages. If you're learning multiple programming languages, this is a game changer. You can ask it to convert this JavaScript function into Python. This is perfect for when you're trying to apply a concept you already know to a new language. Four, explaining complex code. When you come across a piece of code that looks like a jumble of letters and numbers, just paste it into ChatGPT and say, explain this code step by step like I'm a beginner. It breaks down complex functions into simple, easy to understand steps. Part 2: ChatGPT for Business. If you're a business owner or a professional, ChatGPT can help you with everything from communication to marketing. Let's look at a few key ways. 1. Writing professional emails. Instead of spending 10 minutes trying to draft the perfect email, let ChatGPT do the work. Just give it a simple request like, write a polite email to a client asking for project updates. It'll instantly generate a formal, well-written email that you can send right away. 2. Generating marketing content. Need a catchy Instagram caption or a compelling ad for Facebook? ChatGPT can help. Try a prompt like, write a catchy Instagram caption for a skincare product launch. It will generate a list of options you can use on social media. 3. Data analysis and reports. Got a bunch of raw numbers and need to make sense of them? You can paste your data into ChatGPT and ask it to summarize this sales data into key points for a meeting. It can transform messy data into a clean, easy-to-read report in seconds. 4. Business planning. You can even use it for high-level tasks. You can ask ChatGPT to write a basic social media strategy for a new coffee shop. It'll give you a starting point that you can build on. Part 3. ChatGPT for Students. For all the students out there, this is where ChatGPT can seriously help you study smarter, not harder. 1. Explaining difficult topics. Ever been stuck on a concept you just can't grasp? Try asking ChatGPT to explain photosynthesis in simple words like "I'm 10 years old." It will break down complex topics into clear, easy-to-understand explanations. 2. Summarizing notes. Instead of reading a long article, just copy and paste the text and ask, "Summarize this into 5 main points." This is perfect for last-minute exam prep or when you need to get the gist of something quickly. 3. Creating quizzes and flashcards. Studying for a test? Have ChatGPT create a study aid for you. You can ask, "Create 10 quiz questions about World War II with answers." It's a great way to test yourself and make sure you've memorized the key information. 4. Homework assistance. Now, ChatGPT won't do your homework for you, but it can guide you through tough problems. For a math equation, for example, you can say, "Explain how to solve this math equation step by step." It will walk you through the process, so you can learn and solve it on your own. So there you have it. You've now seen how incredibly powerful ChatGPT can be when you use it for the right tasks. Coders can use it to write, debug, and learn code. Business owners can save hours on emails, reports, and marketing. Students can understand tough topics and study smarter than ever before. When you use ChatGPT the right way, it's like having a teacher, a business consultant, and a coding mentor, all in one place, ready to help you instantly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Master for more powerful tutorials like this one. See you next time.